So here's how you can fix unable to turn off Google Safe Search. So for that reason, you need to go to the settings of your mobile phone and try to find out the Google like this. Simply tap on the Google and it will open up the all the settings, but we want another thing, so we will tap on these and tap on manage your Google account. Now the internal settings of the Google is here. So from here you need to tap on the personal info. Then it will take some time to load. So from here it is the birthday. So tap on the birthday. And if you are under 18 years old, you need to make your birthday like 18 plus. So you make your age 18 plus, then you can able to turn off the Google Safe Search. If you are under 18, then the Google Safe Search will be turned on. So this is the issue. Just change the year of your birth date. Like you can make it like 2001 to for the safe side. So that's how you can fix unable to turn off Google Safe Search. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you for the next time.